Hi guys, we're taking a look at my new Urban Decay Hydromaniac Glowy Tinted Hydrating Foundation. And I say foundation lightly because it's kind of a mix between a lightweight tinted moisturizer and not quite as heavy as a full foundation. So really love the kind of lightweightness of it. So I just did a swatch test there. You can really see the amount of glow even on my arm. And then now I'm applying it to my skin just with a damp beauty blender. So I love the ingredients in this. That's kind of what first attracted to me. It's got a kombucha, filtrate, and maruna oil. So it will really hydrate your skin. My skin's more on the dry side, so I need all the hydration that I can get. And I do like that it's buildable. So you can see I'm getting like a natural, but like your better skin essentially. So there is a close-up of the finish of it. I didn't feel like any of my pores were emphasized. That's kind of one thing sometimes you get with a kind of more dewy finish foundation, which I didn't have there. So it's glowy, but not oily. And then this is how it looks when I've applied all the rest of my makeup. I feel like it has a really beautiful finish. Nothing looks kind of cakey or anything, which is always what I'm avoiding. As far as long lasting too, it's meant to last 24 hours. I will say my skin looked amazing after being in the pool all day yesterday. Really love it. Definitely check it out.